Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the floating window permission for the app. This is required so the system can draw over other apps. Once done, make sure your Poco launcher and system updates are applied so the feature behaves correctly. Next, open the app you want to float, then invoke recent apps or long press its icon. This exposes the float command. Do this now. It's the minimal, actionable step that transitions you from setup to actually creating a floating window. Once the floating window appears, learn to manipulate it. Drag the corners to resize precisely and maintain a comfortable aspect ratio, because responsiveness depends on the app's layout. Make sure to tap and hold the title bar to reposition the window. This keeps it accessible while you multitask. If you need full screen quickly, double-tap the bar to maximize or restore. When done, use split screen or snap gestures to anchor two apps together. These steps let you balance visibility and interaction efficiently. To finalize, adjust app-specific floating options like lock orientation or transparency so the window behaves predictably. This improves usability in different contexts. Close the float with the swipe-out gesture, the floating menu, or the back button to free resources. If the window freezes or won't appear, reboot the device first, then re-enable floating permissions and update the app. These fixes resolve most issues. If that fails, clear the app's cache or reinstall. One targeted restart often restores expected floating behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.